Hey guys, lol, sorry I forgot to do an intro, but this is a mini glow up video for Florida and a packing traveling video. I'll split this whole holiday into 3 vlogs, and this is vlog 1. And when I say glow up, I just get my nails done, but you'll see. Hopefully you enjoy this video. And sorry how unprofessional this is. I normally always do intros. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I'm now off to my nail appointment, about to get my nails done. I was going to do my hands, but I don't want my hands to be done anymore. I'll just do my hands by myself, but right now I'm just going to get my toes done. So I'm going to wear some sandals or some sort, or some slippers, because I'm about to get my nails done. I need to show them off. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch got a daddy. I don't want to show my feet, but this is exactly what I got. And I'm back in his partner on penny. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. Okay guys, so I'm wearing the same zip up, not too much. But today is travel day, and I have some bracelets on and the jewelry that I want to keep for the week. And my sister told me this new mascara hack where you can layer it 3 times. I layered it 3 times. I'm proud of myself. Normally I just do go. But anyway, right now I'm packing last minute stuff. Things that I've done without you is I've got a travel container and I put some mouthwash in it, and then I put my regular lotion in another travel thing, and then I packaged some Vaseline in a small one, packed some perfumes and other stuff, and now I've just done some lip liner and something on my nose. We outside, we go to Miami, we go to Florida. And we are going to the terminal. And yeah. Drink some mud. Drink some mud. I hope my skin clears in America.
It back and forth to you in your casket, babe. Girl, you on my best side. That she from the west side. I just wanna know. Don't you sugarcoat. Say it all if you want. Could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Is it to my ear?
The captain switches off the seatbelt sign. Please secure babies using the seatbelt we have provided. Thank you.
We are landing, guys. So colorful. It's happening, we're landing. We've landed and now we're just looking for cars that will take us to the hotel. My eyes are dizzy, my stomach's bloated, I feel very sick. It's a common thing that happens when I travel. I feel very sick all the time. I feel like my eyes are giving up. My stomach is like pressure. It always happens. I can't see for some reason with this eye. I don't know why the plane does this to me. Oh my gosh, what's going on with my eye? Different snacks. Oh, it's 36 minutes. What's wrong? chaotic of the city. Forgot to give you guys a room tour, but this is a bathroom tour. Just wanted to shower and get fresh. Also, they ordered food, and I really just want to be healthy in America. Their food really scares me, so I just got a bit of grilled chicken and veggies, but the veggies are like so solid and I don't really enjoy it. So this is editing Debbie. That's the end of this vlog. Basically, I just want it to be solely traveling and packing. The next vlog that's coming out is gonna be day 1 of Florida, like actually doing activities and doing fun things, you get what I mean? So I'm gonna actually make it interesting from now on, but this is just traveling and glowing up, whatever. Like, I want to split these vlogs because I'm gonna get these vlogs out for you guys, you know what I mean? So bye guys.